before I come to you, Ambassador Goel, I have with me Ujjwal Nikam, who's the special public prosecutor of the 26/11 terror attack case that he handled. Thank you very much, Mr. Ujjwal Nikam, for joining me. And the question about President of United States of America, Donald Trump, having announced Tahawwur Rana's extradition to India. What is holding up the case? How long will it be when Tahawwur Rana is going to be brought back to India?
See, the last attempt which Tahawwur Rana has desperately tried, he tried to play a minority card, alleging that he being in a Pakistani Muslim origin. So he expressed his fear that he will be ill-treated, he will be tortured in India if he will be extradited to India. And therefore he approached to the Supreme Court of US, but Supreme Court of US has summarily rejected his argument as there was no merit in the said allegation. Secondly, he has also
Right, absolutely. So, again the question, why do you think Tahawwur Rana is claiming that him being a Muslim man of Pakistani descent is going to be the cause of his alleged death in the country?
Because Tahawwur Rana knows for certain that he has no case at all, and I am also for certain his plea will not be accepted for the simple reason the Pakistan origin Ajmal Amir Kasab and his 9 deceased colleagues who had attacked Mumbai on the night of the 26th November. All the 9 terrorists were killed in police encounter. Ajmal Kasab was tried in Mumbai court. I marshaled the evidence against Ajmal Kasab in the Mumbai court, and that we have conducted trial in open court, giving a fair chance to Ajmal Kasab for his defense. And not only that, that after giving all opportunity to Ajmal Kasab, he was ultimately convicted by our courts. So, when I had visited Islamabad as a member of the Indian High Official Commission delegation, then even the Pakistani authorities did not raise any question that Kasab will not be fairly tried or Kasab was tortured in India. So everybody knows that India is a such big democratic country where there is a full transparency in the judiciary, and all the accused have a right to make any complaint to the court of law if he is being ill-treated. So I am 100% sure that even if Tahawwur Rana will make an appeal to the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of US, it would be of no use.
Ujjwal Nikam, what do you see happening in the next few days in this case? Now that Tahawwur Rana has appealed before the Chief Justice of United States, how long will this entire process take to conclude before he is brought back?
See, now it is a question of only few days, because Tahawwur Rana approached to the Supreme Court of India making and playing a minority card in US, but ultimately that was rejected. Even if he raised the plea, it will have the same fate. And therefore, the process, that is, I can say certain formalities will require to be completed, because US administration has taken a very bold decision to extradite Tahawwur Rana immediately after his all legal options are being exhausted. So US President Mr. Donald Trump has made it very clear to our Prime Minister that US doesn't want to keep such bad elements on the land of their soil who try to indulge in terrorist activities in India. So once US administration passed the order, and once Tahawwur Rana's all legal remedies are being exhausted, will be exhausted, then only it's a question of few days.
Do you think Tahawwur Rana's interrogation will be the final nail in the coffin in exposing Pakistan and ISI's role in 26/11?
I won't say that it will be a final nail, because there are still some of the offenders are at large in Pakistan. We don't know what the Pakistani authorities are doing so far as the perpetrators of the terror attack of 26 November. Now, no doubt, they say that the trial is ongoing trial, but it is in camera. We have finished the trial of 26 November 2008 within a couple of years, that is 2 years. However, we don't know the progress of the trial, and the Pakistani investigating agency had arrested only very small fishes. In fact, the very small people who are not that way very major role in the criminal conspiracy. The person who played a major role in criminal conspiracy is Hafiz Saeed, Zakir Rahman Lakfi. Unless they are booked, unless Pakistani authority take action against such against such army official whose names are being revealed by David Headley in Mumbai court, I won't say that it will be a complete justice to the departed soul of 26 November.
Thank you, Mr. Ujjwal.